Hey there, I'm Benjamin from Loves Data. In this video, you'll learn about the benefits of implementing Google Analytics User ID. If you can identify individuals as they experience your website, for example, if people can log in, then you can implement the User ID feature. I'll walk through how User ID can give you a more accurate understanding of your audience, outline limitations of User ID, and show you how to track individuals coming from your email campaigns. Let's get started. You can send a user ID when a page view or other data is sent to Google Analytics. This allows you to tie sessions together when the user ID is the same, even if the sessions are on different devices. For example, if you ask people to log in on your website and on your app, you can connect this data together inside your reports. If someone logs in on their mobile device, then on their desktop, and then on their tablet, you can tie these three separate sessions together and you'll have a single user reported inside Google Analytics. Now let's look at the same scenario, but this time if we didn't send the user ID with each session. Instead of reporting on one user, we'd be reporting on 3 users, 3 devices, and 3 sessions. You can immediately see the benefit of implementing User ID. You'll have a better understanding of how people engage with your business, even across multiple devices. So User ID is amazing, but it isn't perfect either. Why? Well, odds are only a small portion of your audience will actually log in across multiple devices. If they haven't logged in and the user ID hasn't been sent, then Google Analytics can't tie this data together. This is okay, since you'll still be able to access insights for those people who do actually log in. But what if you don't have any type of login? Then what? If you have another way of identifying people as they access your website, app, or other touchpoints, then you can still make use of User ID. The thing to remember is that you need to be able to actually identify someone. Here's one idea to get you thinking. Let's say you collect email addresses on your website. Those email addresses get stored in your email platform, and that platform assigns a unique ID to each person that subscribes. You can then add that ID to the URLs contained in the emails that you send. As people click through to your website from your emails, the ID can be passed to Google Analytics and used to tie sessions together. This would mean that if someone clicked through to your website on their desktop and then later on their mobile device, the ID and the links would be the same, and you could see the different devices people are using. So without anybody having to log in, you can identify them and make use of User ID in your reports. And you can easily implement this with Google Tag Manager. Once you've configured your email platform to add the ID as a query parameter to your inbound links, you can create a variable to capture the value of the query parameter. Here's an example that captures the value of my subscriber ID query parameter. You can see I've selected URL as the variable type and then query. All I need to do is adjust my Google Analytics tag to use the variable. Here I'm setting the user ID field and passing the value of the variable. Then I need to head into Google Analytics and enable the user ID feature. This will also require that you create a special reporting view for User ID. That's it. Now, this isn't about Google Analytics, but I did want to mention a report in Google AdWords that you might want to check out. It's the Google AdWords Cross-Device Activity Reports. They're really interesting because they auto-magically show you cross-device conversions based on people logged into Google accounts. Google's system starts by observing conversion data from your conversion tags, and then when there is enough data and confidence in it, it expands this to estimate conversions across users that haven't been signed in to Google accounts. I know what you're thinking. Yes, it is limited to our Google AdWords campaigns, but it's providing deeper insights into our audience and the device paths they're using to engage with us online. So if you haven't taken a look at the cross-device activity reports, they're absolutely worth it. You'll find the reports under Search Attribution in the new version of Google AdWords. So they're the benefits of implementing the user ID feature in Google Analytics. If you have a way of identifying people as they visit or log into your website, app, or other touch points, then you can gain a deeper understanding about the devices and paths people are taking to engage with you online. And don't forget to check out the cross-device reports in Google AdWords. They show Google is innovating how we report on users and conversions for our AdWords campaigns. Have you used the user ID feature in Google Analytics? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, then please like it so I know to make more videos like this. See you next time.